You're probably wasting time on your computer every single day, and you don't even realize it. Let me ask you something. When you need to find a file on your Windows laptop or PC, what do you usually do? You open File Explorer, then you click one folder, then another, then another. You scroll, you guess, and sometimes you still can't find what you're looking for. And even when you finally find it, you've already wasted 1, 2, maybe 5 minutes. Now imagine doing that several times a day, every week. That's not just minutes. That's hours of your life, gone. The worst part? Windows already has a much faster way to find anything on your computer, and most people completely ignore it. It's built in. No extra software. No setup. Just one simple shortcut. Here's what you do. Press Windows key plus S on your keyboard. That's it. This opens Windows Search instantly. From here, you don't need to know where your file is saved. You don't need to remember the exact folder. You don't even need to remember the full file name. Just type any part of the name you remember. For example, maybe you're looking for a report. Just type report. Or maybe you need an invoice. Type invoice. Or a presentation. Type presentation. Windows will scan your system and show the result almost immediately. No clicking through folders. No scrolling. No guessing. But here's something even more powerful. You can also search by file type. For example, you can type PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So if you know the file was a PDF but don't remember the name, just type PDF, and Windows will list your recent PDF files. This is extremely useful if you work with documents every day, like reports, school assignments, business files, or downloads. Another smart trick is using project names or keywords. Let's say you're working on a project called marketing. Just type marketing, and all related files will appear. Or maybe budget, client, proposal, or design. The search doesn't need to be perfect. Even one word can be enough. Now here's a feature most people don't know. When you see the file in the search result, you can right-click it. From there you can open file location, run as administrator, pin it to start, or copy the file path, all without opening File Explorer at all. So Windows Search is not just for opening files. It also helps you manage them faster, and it doesn't only search files. You can also use it to open apps, open system settings, find control panel tools. Instead of clicking through menus, just press Windows plus S and type what you want. For example, type Bluetooth to open Bluetooth settings. Type Display to open screen settings. Type Calculator to open the calculator. Once you get used to this, your computer feels much faster, even though nothing actually changed. You're just using it smarter. This is especially helpful if you work with many files every day, often forget where things are saved, download a lot of documents, or just want to finish tasks faster. Small habits like this may look simple, but they save time again and again. And when you add many small shortcuts together, they make a big difference in your daily productivity. Less clicking, less frustration, more focus on actual work. So starting today, stop digging through folders every time you need a file. Just press Windows plus S and search for it instantly. If you want more simple Windows and productivity tips like this, that actually help you save time and reduce stress, make sure to check out the other videos on this channel. Because working smarter doesn't mean working harder. Sometimes, it just means knowing the right shortcut.